Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook from your mobile device. First step is open the Facebook app. Then tap on the three horizontal line in the top right side. Then scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then click settings and then scroll down and click blocking. In the block user section, you should see a list of people you have blocked. Click unblock next to the name of the person you want to unblock. Click confirm to finish unblocking the person. Tap unblock. If you unblock someone, you will not be able to block them again for a few days. Estimated 14 days.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.